Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Dorian. This is going to be a new channel that I'm starting here. So bear with me. We're going to go over some products and we're also going to do an install on my Tacoma. I'm going to kind of review things, and I think I want to get into comparing different components and stuff for people. I want to jump into that game a little bit. So anyway, as we can see here, first up, we have a Down for Sound amp. I'm looking to put a stereo in my 2023 Tacoma. I've had it for just over a year now, a year and a few months. So let's say 14 months. It's the longest I've ever gone without putting a stereo in something. I've heard a lot of people say how the stereos are really bad in them. I don't know. I think mine being a 23, they may have done some upgrade to the stereo. I know my boss has, I think, 20 or 19, and he has the JBL system, and he says he's completely unhappy with it. So anyway, I'm just gonna upgrade it because I feel like it and I want to. It's not bad. I would like more. Typically what we all want. So, all right. So let's start off. Let's start off checking out this amplifier. I've never owned nothing from Down for Sound. I don't even know anybody who does own anything from them. I have seen amp dynos and stuff, and I was pretty impressed. The price point was pretty good. I thought it was fair for what I was looking for. So I'll give you the open box, and then we'll install it. And then I'm gonna come back in time. What I want to do with this channel is I want to come back, and after I have something, use something, I want to try to come back and give you a review later down the line, because a lot of people tell you how good something is out of the box, how well it performed on a dyno, how good it sounds sitting here on a bench or in a car, and then you never hear about it again. I want to try to change that a little bit. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So I forget what model it is, but we'll see that all together. Alright, we get that out of the way. So it did come with a cool Down for Sound sticker. Myself, I don't typically put stickers on my vehicles at all. Nothing. I try not to do any stickers. There's one little sticker I will have on some of my trucks, and it's just a little lowrider sticker. You'll see it one of these days. But anyway, this is the JP95T model. So I know a lot of people say that they have like cool packaging, and sure, it seems pretty cool packaging. So here's the amp, right? Here's the boxing. Like I said, that's the JP95T. JP being man, I forget his name now, but anyway, sorry about that. I know his channel, Life of whatever his last name is. Anyway, I'm sure we'll see it. Jonathan, forgive me, brother. Anyway, let's check out his product. All right, and it does come with probably one of the coolest and best bass knobs I've seen ever, and I've only seen pictures of it. So let's see what it really looks like in person. All right, so we got a box inside of a box inside of a box. Usual. Let's go ahead and pull old girl out. Set the box off to the side. And my Tacoma, I don't know if you guys can see it in the back, it's that Luna Rock, they call it, which is a green. So I did choose to go with, they call it the turquoise. Let's go ahead and carefully cut this open. All right, woo! That is a good looking girl right there. Wow. All right, so here's the owner's manual, which we'll get to at some point. Here's the star of the show, y'all. Let's put this off to the side. All right. Yo, the pictures they show online, sorry, it's pretty hot right now and the sun's on my back, but the pictures they show online, I would say, is a pretty fair representation of their product from what I see. This is a beautiful amp. It's a beautiful color. There might be a, that cleans up. There's a slight little blemish on there, but who cares? It ain't that big of a deal, not to me. Woo! That's, that looks good. So, I guess all of their amps have this plexiglass bottom. So, years back ago, there was a company called Phoenix Gold. A lot of people used to mount their amps upside down and show off their boards because they were pretty cool. And from what I've heard about this company is that on their boards they always have a saying on their board. And this one says, "What a time to be alive." It's pretty cool. I like puns and stuff like that. But let's check out here. So here we have this is the side that has all of the EQs, and I think they call these Tiffany styles. That one's a little loose, but I'll tighten that up. No big deal. Just a little tight on it. But the RCA is in. Channels 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then these are 5. I'm pretty sure that's bridged together internally. And you have 1 and 2 gain. What do you have? Gain, high pass frequency for channel 1 and 2. Channel 3 and 4 gain, high pass frequency, and then a low, high, and a low level. Or sorry, I should say high pass, full, and low level crossover, and then your low pass set, and you have 1 times or 10 times for the frequency. Down below is all for channel 5. That is gain, subsonic, low pass filter, and then your frequency, and then a bass boost. And the bass boost is from 0 dB to 9 dB, and then the plug for the bass remote. So here's a good look there for you guys. All right, now on the other side over here we have man, so these are, I believe these are 0 gauge inputs, which is nice. That's really nice. And as of now, I'm only going to be using it as a 4-channel. Eventually, I'll be using it as a 5-channel, and I don't plan on loading it way down. But whatever, it is what it is. I ain't going to complain about bigger. Anyway, you have channel 1, 2 here, 3, 4 down here, and then channel 5 like this. And that's a pretty standard setup for these guys. All right, and then the power, protection, and clip light down there, all of that good stuff. Man, she feels good, and it really looks good. I heard people talk about this old amplifier company. I believe it's American based. There's a couple of the companies back in the day, not American based, US amps. And I remember them growing up. Those were a little bit before my time and a little bit too pricey when it was around my time, but they look They were fancy, and they supposedly performed very well. A lot of builds had them. Anyway, let's move this along. So, what do we got in this little box? Oh, okay, all right. So, this is what I really wanted to see, and man, check that out, dude. It looks just like the amp, like they say it does, and it's light, but it's all aluminum. Potentiometer is not like super stiff or nothing like that, but it don't feel bad. It's pretty cool, man. I like that. It's a little big for a bass knob, but it's also pretty cool. So whatever it is, what it is. Here we got the bass cable, or for the remote, bass remote. This is the cable. I'm not sure how long it is, but I'm sure it's plenty enough. Probably somewhere around 20 feet, which is way more than I'm gonna need inside my little Tacoma. And then, of course, we get a set of Allen keys. So that's that, man. I'm excited about what it looks like. There will be a video of a full install on the truck, and then I will come back later after a while and I'll do a review for it and show you guys, or tell you guys how I like that. So keep an eye out for that video. All right, y'all. Until then, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and communicate with me in there. I'll do my best to always go inside and you know, on videos and answer any questions.